Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole spread updated. Mash ripe avocados, add lime, salt, and mix in extras. Begin by halving and scooping avocados, then mash to your preferred chunkiness. Fold in finely chopped onion, cilantro, and jalapeno for balance. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding more lime or salt as needed. Serve chilled or at room temperature with chips or as a spread on sandwiches. Measure ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Choose avocados that yield to gentle pressure for the creamiest spread. Prepare extras like diced tomato or crumbled cheese if you want variations. Keep a small bowl of lime juice nearby to brighten flavors as you taste. Remember that salt, acid, and heat are your main flavor levers when adjusting the guacamole to preference. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth is a fun read that might free up some snack money or inspire smarter grocery choices, making guacamole nights more meaningful. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick it up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Prep onions and herbs finely so every bite has balanced flavor and texture. Mash avocados to your chosen consistency, combining salt and lime gradually while tasting frequently. To minimize browning, press plastic wrap directly against the guacamole surface before sealing in an airtight container. Store in the coldest part of the fridge and consume within a few days for peak freshness. Re-stir gently before serving to reincorporate any separated juices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.